Hello everyone. So today in this tutorial we are going to install OpenClaw on our machine. So in order to install OpenClaw, we have first have to download Telegram. So I have already downloaded Telegram, but if you do not have Telegram, you have to go to App Store and then you have to search Telegram and then you have to install this one. So I have already installed it Telegram, so I am just going to open my Telegram. Yes, once you install the Telegram, you need to log in with your mobile number, and once you have logged in, then we are going to see how can you do next steps. Yes, so once you have like logged in the Telegram, so Telegram will open and you have to search Botfather, Botfather. Yes, and click on this first one and click on this start, and then we have to create a new bot. So you can see that in order to create new bot you have to press this command. So we are going to press this. So now we are going to choose a name for our bot. So this is for testing purposes, so I'm going to give it test anam bot, and now we have to give a username. So I'm using the same username which I have given as test. Yes, and our bot is created successfully. So you get this token. So this token we are going to use later in this tutorial. Yeah, so congratulations, our step 1 is done and our Telegram bot is created. Before starting this section, you do not need any GitHub login nor you need any Docker login. You just have to follow these steps and you are all set to go. Thank you. So now moving forward, we have to download Docker desktop on our MacBook. So you have to go to any browser, and for this demonstration, I'm going to use Chrome. So in Chrome, you have to go and type Docker desktop for Mac, and you have to click on this first link from the Docker docs, and it will ask you whether your MacBook is with Apple Silicon chip or with Apple MacBook with Intel chip. So whichever is your MacBook, you have to click on that and install it successfully. And once it is installed, then you have to go to it and just click on it once and make sure that it is started. Just click on it. It is necessary for the next steps, and then you have to minimize the screen. Yeah, so congratulations, our step 2 is now also done. So now we are going to finally proceed to installation. So for installation we have to go to GitHub, this link. So this link I'm also going to provide in the description of this video, so you can just click on this link, and once you are here you have to click on this code button and you have to click on this open download zip, and you have to click on this. And once your zip is downloaded, you can see that zip in your downloads folder in your respective MacBooks. So this is the zip that I have just downloaded. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy it, and then we have to create a new folder or wherever we want to install it. So for I'm going to install it in my desktop. So let's make a new folder, and I'm going to call this folder as OpenClaw testing on, and I have to click it here and I have to paste that thing which I have copied, and then I have to click on it, and I am just going to extract it, and yes, it's expanding, and yes, now it is extracted. Yes, so now what you have to do is you have to open any browser. So I'm using this one, and you have to go to this link. So this link I'm also going to provide in description, and once you open this link, what you have to do is you have to download this file. Yes, and then you have to like save it. And once it is downloaded, so you can see in the my downloaded folder, you can see this is downloaded. So you just have to copy this, and after copying it, what you have to do is you have to go to your the place where you have like made the folder where you have put this zip and extracted it, and then you have to go to this folder, and inside this folder you have to like paste the thing that we have just created. Yes, so this is now pasted. Now what you have to do is you have to press back and press the right key of your MacBook and click on this last new terminal, tab add folder. And once you are there, you just have to type one command, bash setup openclaw.sh, this command, and then you have to press enter. And so one more thing, so if like some of you have tried to install like OpenClaw before and somehow like it is not installed and you are wondering that it is taking our space, so once you like type this command, so what this command will first do is it will delete all the existing broken broken OpenClaw setups on your PC. So for example, like there are all these like setups, so it has like cleared around 7 GB on my PC, which is really good. And now we have like three options to choose from. Yes, so if you want to choose Anthropic, so suppose I want to choose Anthropic, so I have to like write one. So if you want to choose OpenAI, you have to write two, and if you have to choose Minimax, you have to write three. So for Anthropic, I have to write one, and now it is asking me to give me my API keys. So for this demonstrating purposes, I am going to use a dummy API key. Okay, and back to terminal, and I have pasted. Now it is asking for the bot token that we have created in the start of this video, so you have to paste it here. So I'm going to Telegram, and this is the token that we have created. I have just clicked on it and it has already copied, and now I have to paste it and press enter. So now you have to write your Telegram user ID. So how can you get your user ID is you have to go to Telegram and search user info bot. Yes, and you have to open this one, and then you have to click the start, and this is your user ID. Once you just clicked on it, it is already copied, and you have to paste it here and you have to press enter. And once you press entered, so as you can see that our Docker image has started to pull from the internet. So it will take some time for like I have tried it like 3 or 4 times now, and it will take around 8 to 15 minutes. So let us wait. Yes, so as you can see that after the installation, if you see this type of screen, so that means you are all set to go, and you are also going to see the username of your board. For example, like this, the testing Anam board that we have created in the start. So we are going to see its username here, and now just have to go to my Telegram, and I just have to go to this testing Anam board. And like if you are new, so what you have, you do not have it here, so you have to search it, for example from your username. And once you have searched it, you have to press start, and once you have pressed start, so it will like start replying you. And as we have like used dummy API, so it has like given us this thing, but if like you do not have dummy API, it will give you some response, and then you just start typing to it. Yeah, so this is it for this video, and thank you.